Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. How are you all? In this chapter, we have learned addition of numbers with or without regrouping. I hope you have understood about the concept of regrouping. It is very important in addition problems. Today, we will discuss some word problems from this chapter. Word problems are a great way to apply math knowledge to real world situations. So children, let us start. Children, I have written one question here. First, I will read the question. A man reads his storybook every week. He read 23 pages on Friday, 33 pages on Saturday, and 8 pages on Sunday. How many pages did he read in all? Here we have to find out the total number of pages Aman read in all. Remember the words in all, altogether, total, sum implies addition. So here we have to find out the total number of pages. You can find the total number of pages by adding. We know the addition of three numbers. Here we have three numbers, that is 23, 33 and 8. That is, he read 23 pages on Friday, 33 pages on Saturday and 8 pages on Sunday. So now let's add these three numbers. From this question, we can understand that the number of pages Aman read on Friday is equal to 23. The number of pages read on Saturday is equal to 33 and the number of pages read on Sunday is equal to 8. We have to find out the total number of pages. You can find the total number of pages by adding. We know how to add three numbers. Here we have three numbers. Which are the three numbers? 23, 33 and 8. So let us add these three numbers. That is 23 plus 33 plus 8. Here 23 and 33 are two-digit numbers. When adding two-digit numbers, always start from the ones place. So let us add the ones place digits first. That is 3 plus 8. What will be the answer? It's 14. Then tell me children, what will be the next step? Next step will be regroup the ones. That is, we have to regroup the number 14 ones. 14 ones is equal to 1 10 and 4 ones. Let us write 4 ones in the ones column. 1 10 carry forward to tens column. Then add the tens place digit. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Now we can write the number 6 here. Now we will get the answer 64, which means Aman read 64 pages. So we can write the total number of pages is equal to 64. I hope you have understood this problem. Let us solve one more question. I will read the question. There are 19 boys in a class. The number of girls is 12 more than the number of boys. How many girls are there in the class? Here we have to find out the number of girls in the class. They have given the number of boys in the class, which is equal to 90. And we can understand that the number of girls is 12 more than the number of boys. How will you find out the answer? If we add the number 12 with the number of boys, we will get the number of girls. Let us see. Here, the number of boys is equal to 90. And we know the number of girls is 12 more than the number of boys. Which means if we add the number 12 with the number 19, that is the number of boys, we'll get the number of girls. That is, if we add 19 and 12, we will get the number of girls. So children, let us add 19 and 12. 19 plus 12. First we add the ones place digit, that is 9 plus 2. What will be the answer? 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. In this number 11, we can say that 1, 1 and 1, 10. So, we write the 1, 1 in the ones column and the 1, 10 carry forward to tens column and put it in the circle. Then add the tens place digit, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. That is, we'll get the answer 31. That is, the number of girls is equal to 31. Now, the number of boys is equal to 19 and the number of girls is equal to 31. I hope you have understood this problem. Children, today we have discussed about how to solve word problems in addition. I hope you have understood this. I attached the notes of lesson and a worksheet under this video. You can see many word problems in your textbook. Children, you have to practice it. Let me conclude today's session. Thank you.